Nasha. Nasha. Oh, Stacy, you're welcome. How are you?
I'm fine.
Thank you for joining. I really want to know, you're Stacy or Lina?
It's Masha talking.
It's Nasha. Okay, Nasha, let me first talk to Stacy then. Stacy, how are you? Stacy, can you hear me?
Yes,
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Is everything well? Stacy, had you covered something about money?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Okay. Okay, that's great. How about Nasha? How far have you gone? Which unit are you covering?
I've also covered about money.
All right, so we are going to discuss about money today. And I think I'm going to give chance to you people, you share your screens and each one of us will at least tell us something, okay? Stacy, is it okay? I don't know why Stacy takes long to respond. Is it a problem of the microphone? Stacy, why do you take long to respond? I think you unmute your microphone, then you speak. Lynette, sorry, Nasha, can you hear me well?
Yes, teacher.
Then Stacy, there must be a problem. Unmute your microphone and speak, because you take long to respond. So Nasha, you're going to share your screen and share with us about money. Just briefly what you learned about it, then I will emphasize a few things I know.
Okay, teacher.
Is it okay to start? Yes, so share with us that part of money so that we can learn from your screen. Yes, Nasha, you unmute your microphone. Okay, she's sharing her screen. Let us wait for Nasha to complete. Her page is still loading. She's going to share about money. Then I hope Stacy also helping yours load. Then we shall share still from your screen. I don't know, Stacy, whether you're in position to speak. Nasha, just a minute. Let me first call up Stacy. Stacy, are you able to speak and hear us?
Yes.
All right. I want you to be responding a little bit fast, okay? Okay, Nasha, you can go on. Share your screen and take us through what you've covered, and I'll emphasize a few points, I think. Yes, please.
I logged in with the email, but saying the email is wrong. But sometimes when I try, it says the email is correct, but sometimes when I try, it says it's wrong. So sometimes I can't access it.
My email? Your email, what about now?
I've tried it now, but I cannot access it. Sometimes I can access, sometimes I
As if the first attempt, I realized as if your page was loading.
Yes, it was loading, but it was saying sign into the email.
Okay, then try it one more time.
Okay.
Yeah, first try it one more time. Try it one more time and give it time so that it can load. First, try sharing your screen, then we can see how far you're moving. As test is yours fine, you try to load your page so that you can share with us. Stacy, can you hear me?
Yes,
Try to also log into the site because you're going to share about money, what you discovered, then I'll emphasize a few things. So I want you to also try to load your page as you wait for your time to come. Hello, Nasha, how far have you moved?
I'm also covering about time.
Yeah, but I want you to, we are sharing about money today, but I want us to have, I wanted you to share your screen so that we can learn from your screen today. I don't know whether you've loaded now. It has loaded.
It hasn't.
Okay, let us give it some time. Stacy, what about you? Stacy, let us have a quick response, please, so that we can know whether you're proceeding or everything has failed, okay? Stacy is on and off. Nasha, has it worked out now?
I'm trying.
You're trying. Share your screen as you're trying so that I can see. Try to share it, then I can see. Sorry, my network is a bit disturbing, but let me hope you can. Let me hope you can hear me right now. Stacy, are you able to speak right now? Yeah, Nasha, you put you put in your email. Can you hear me, Nasha? Stacy, are you able to speak?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, but Stacy, I told you I want a quick response, please. When you keep quiet and we call you several times, we think you have a problem with the network. So just keep on giving us that quick response.
I had a problem with that before.
Okay, what about now? Is it okay?
Yes.
All right, that's good because we want to really know whether you're on and off. I don't want to leave you behind.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think Nasha is still loading her page. Can you try to load your page to share your page?
Okay.
Where you read from about money? Stas, are you trying to share? Nasha is back. Nasha, can you speak right now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So Stas, as you're trying to share, we've said that we are covering money, a unit about money, and we all know what money is. Who can tell us what money is? Nasha.
Money is a medium of exchange.
Wow, money is a medium of exchange. So whenever you are exchange, we are saying it's a medium, not because it is only one thing that we can use for exchange, but it is one of the things we can use to exchange our goods with. For example, if you want a bag and you want a bag from someone, you'll find that you will have to use either you'll opt for money so that you can have that bag, that medium of exchange. We can use it in the buying and the selling process. That is money. So what else do you know about money, Nasha? Sorry, Stacy now. Yes, Nasha, your hand is up.
Money is grouped into two things, coins and notes.
Wow, thank you. So we can have money in terms of coins and in terms of notes. When they talk about notes, they mean the paper money. And when they talk about the coins, they basically mean they're always metallic. I hope we know that some of the coins we have in our currency. And what else about we have money expressed as coins or notes? That's one. Stacy, what did you read about money? Stacy, are you able to speak?
Yes, teacher.
What did you read about money, my friend?
Pardon?
What did you read about money?
I read about coins and notes.
Coins and notes. So can you identify some of the notes? We've said the notes can refer to the paper money we have in our country. Basically, let us look at the paper money we have in our country. Let us see which one appears in the paper note. Then we can in the notes all the papers, the paper money, and we can also see the coins. So can you identify some of these notes in the country according to our currency?
1,000 shilling note.
Wow, thank you so much, Stacy. 1,000 shilling note. Nasham?
50,000 shillings note.
Good. Stacy? Oh, Stacy, they are done. Nasha has told us 50,000. You've given us 1,000. And we have
10,000 note.
Wow, thank you so much. Another one, we have 10,000. Another one?
20,000 shillings.
Yes, thank you, 20,000. Then do we have, we also have another one that we've not talked about.
2,000 shillings note.
Yes, we have the 2,000 shilling note. What else?
5,000 shillings note.
Wow, thank you so much. So that's those are some of the notes we have according to our currency. So can we tell what do we use in our country? Do we use shillings, dollars, euros, francs? What do we use? David, thank you for joining. Yes, your hand is up. Nasham?
We use shillings.
So we use shillings in our country, basically. So whenever you have, you find yourself that you're from a different country and you find yourself in Uganda, you have dollars, that means you will have to exchange your money so that you can get the shillings that are used in our country. David, we are here still discussing about money. So I want you, Nasha, to try to search for us a 50 shilling note so that we can see how it looks like. You search, then you share your screen for us so that we can see. So Stacy, for you look for a 2,000 shilling note. We also see how it looks like. Nasha, have you got it?
Yes, I'm still.
I hope everyone can see Nasha's screen. Let us wait. It's still loading so that we can see how a 50,000 shilling note looks like. Good afternoon. So as Nasha is trying to search, let us give her some little time. I think it's still loading. Her network is just, oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Stacey, have you seen the 50,000 shilling note from Nasha's screen? Unmute your microphone and speak, Stacey.
Pardon, I didn't hear you well.
Are you seeing Nasha's screen?
Yes.
Have you seen the 50,000 shilling note?
Yes.
Which color is it?
Yellow.
Is it yellow? There it's more clear. Are you seeing it, that upper one? I think it's brown, kind brown.
Yes. Okay.
Nasha, try to take back to the other first one. Try to move back to the other page. You find that each note has a special feature on it. So you find that a 50,000 shilling note has something that makes it look different from a 10,000 note, a 2,000 note, a 1,000 note, a 5,000 note, a 20,000 note. All these notes are different from each other in terms of color. They're different from each other in terms of color, and they also have the special features on them. You find that the 50,000 note has a special feature on it, and that's a baboon or a gorilla. So that makes it look different from the other notes. So our work today, I want us to identify every special feature on these notes here. I want you to identify that when you look at the 2,000 note, it has this, and this is the color. I want you to identify its color and the special feature on it that makes it different from others. And even in terms of size, when you look at these notes here, they keep on differing the sizes. And 1,000 and 2,000 have the same size, but you find that 10,000 has a different size. 20,000 also, the same applies to a 50,000 shilling note. So I want you to look at this money here, so that you can be in position to identify the difference on them and their special features. Stacey, are we together? Nasha, are we together?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Nasha, are we together? Nasha, can you speak?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So one of the activities after here, identifying special features on the Ugandan currency. Yes. So I want you, actually, you're going to draw it a table form. You identify the color and the feature on each note that makes it look different. You're going to find different notes have special features. You'll even find a note with a fish. Who can guess that note? Yes, Nasha, your hand is up.
$2,000 shillings.
Wow. So you find that the 2,000 shilling note has a fish on it. Then the other one has, and then we are also going to look at the coins. Yes. Before we go to the coins, which of the notes? What is the highest note? What is the value of the highest note in our currency? Who can guess the highest, the note with the highest value in our currency? Stacy, can you try? That money that when they give you, you're like, yeah, this one is, its value is more compared to this other one. Yes, Nasha.
A 50,000 shillings note.
Wow. So Stacy, a 50,000 shillings note is the note with the highest value in our currency. Per now, we don't know that whether they will release the 100 shilling note, 100,000 shilling note, but per now we have the 50,000 shilling note as the note with the highest value. So which note has the lowest value in our currency?
1,000 note.
Wow, thank you. So the 1,000 shilling note is the note with the lowest value according to our currency. So let us move to the coins now. Which kind, can you identify some of the coins we have in our currency?
50
Yes, Nasha.
shillings coin.
Wow, we had the 50 shillings. It's still in our currency because you find that there are some things after buying part of it, you realize that you have that kind of 50 shillings, although right now when you take it to the shop, they don't want to receive it anymore. But for those times you could take it to a shop, you buy a biscuit, you buy a sweet, but still it is still recognized in our currency, the 50 shilling note, 50 shilling coin. Let me hear from Stacy. Which coin have you ever seen?
Coin, 500 shilling coin.
Wow. So the 500 shilling coin, what's it? Does it have anything on it? As if I've never seen it. What makes you be in position to differentiate the two, the 50 shilling coin and the 500 shilling coin? Is there any difference between the two coins? Hello?
Sorry, my network was bad.
Sorry, but we'll pray next time for better network, okay? So do we have a difference between the 50 shilling coin and the 500 shilling coin?
Yes.
What's the difference?
The 500 shilling coin has a head of a crested crane. 50 coin has a head of a bull.
The head of a bull, okay. Nasha, can you help us check for the 50 shilling coin? Uganda currency.
Okay.
Yeah, try to look for it so that we can see it as we keep on identifying other coins we have in our currency. As you're searching, we can still have other coins. We've mentioned 500, we've mentioned 50. We also have 100 shilling coin. Which other coin do we have?
100 shilling coin.
Wow, we have 100 shilling coin. What else?
200 shilling coin.
Yes, we have 200 shilling coin and another one.
1,000 shilling coin.
Good, we have 1,000 shilling coin. So all this, Nasha has gone off shortly. I think her network is disturbing her. So all these ones here, they have things that make them different from each other. So whenever you find, Nasha, you're back, that's good. So what we are going to do, still we are going to identify the those special things on each coin, that makes them different from each other, okay? That is still part of our work. You'll draw that table and identify them. You identify that maybe 500 has this, this has a fish, this has a turkey, this has a pigeon, this one has a zebra if possible. Those are the special features that we are going to identify. At least now we, Nasha, you're back. Are you searching for us? Nasha. Nasha. Have you got it? You can share your screen if you've got it. Not yet. If you got it, you share the screen. Nasha's network is poor, but I know that you're going to look for these coins here and identify them. You identify the special features on each coin, on each coin, on each coin, on each note as used in the Ugandan currency. Then what else did you look at? Stacy, what else did you look at? Apart from identifying money, what else?
Finding the value of small nations.
Finding the value of the small denominations. Give us one example of that.
Peter was given 3 500 shilling coins. How many coins was he given? 1 coin equals 500 shillings. 3 coins equals 500 shillings times 3 equals to 1,500 shillings.
Wow. Wow, thank you, Stacy. Nasha, Stacy was trying, Nasha is still off. Her mic is not yet enabled. Try to enable your mic, Nasha.
Yes, off.
Nasha, she's off. She's on and off. So Stacy, that was about finding the value of different denominations. Whenever you're given money, you find that at times they may not give you that total, but this helps you identify the
Are you there?
Okay, had you got what you're searching for, or it has failed due to network?
I was searching for it, then I just went off the meeting.
Oh, it was network, I think. But I think we are going to make more research. Stacy is also going to give it time to look for this work here so that she can have it. But we had moved to another thing that we were sharing with Stacy. and that is finding the value of small small. That's what was that?
Finding the value of small denominations.
Okay, and that for that they mean the value of in case they give you like a group of different notes or a group of the same notes, you find the total amount they've given to you. That is an example that says Peter was given 3 coins of 500 shillings, and Stas has been trying to describe. So it is. Let me try to share my screen here shortly. And this one is like this, for if Peter is given, they're saying he's given 3 coins. 3 coins of 500 shillings. So you find that 1 coin is equivalent to 500 shillings. So for you to get the value of 3 coins, you have to multiply you have to multiply 3 times the money the value of each coin. Yes, so you multiply 3 times 500 shillings. So you find that Peter was given 1,500 shillings. Whenever you're writing about money, make sure you don't forget the unit. And when you're using shillings, this one here, don't write it at the end of the number. Yes, we start with it and end with the number. Then another thing, let me share with you a small story so that you can tell me how much money I was given, okay? So here you need to know how many zeros are on each note, all coin. I visited my auntie on Monday, and I took 3 days there. As I was leaving, that was on Wednesday, she gave me 3 notes of 5,000 shillings. And my cousin, Isabel, gave me 4 coins of 100 shillings. What is the total amount of money my aunt gave me? Stacy, are you ready to share? Stacy is just back. So Nasha, how much money did auntie give me? If she gave me 3 notes of Nasha, can you speak?
Pardon, teacher.
I repeat, my auntie gave me 3 notes of 5,000 shillings. How much money did she give me in total? So we've said that you unmute your microphone, Nasha. For us to get the value of the money, yes, the total money, when you're given notes or shillings, it's a matter of you multiplying the value of the note times the number of notes they've given to you. So if auntie gave me 3 notes, we multiply 3 by the 5,000 shillings because each note is 5,000 shillings. Or if you find that So if you find that you cannot multiply, then you can just add the three of the, you add the value of the note 3 times, okay?
Okay.
So now can you try to give me the answer?
The answer is 15,000 shillings.
Wow. So Auntie gave me 15,000 shillings. Stacy, you're back. I just have a simple question here. Stacy, can you speak now?
Yes.
Okay, Aunt Isabel gave me 4 coins of 100 shillings. How much money did she give me altogether? Yes?
400 shillings.
Wow. So that means Isabel gave me 400 shillings. How have you got the answer?
I multiplied 100 times 4.
Wow. So we can multiply the number of coins all notes by the value of the coin or the value of the note. Or else if you don't multiply, what else can you do to get that answer? Nasha, if we don't multiply, what can we do?
We add that number like 100 shillings 4 times.
Wow. So you choose one of the two, which is simpler for you. So that's all. Let us keep following that unit so that we can complete it very soon and attempt the work, the questions that are there. But today's assignment, I want you to gather what? Nasha, what did we say for the assignment?
You said that identifying money and their features.
Wow. Thank you so much. That's what we are going to do. Send it in the group. You can draw a tab and send your work in the group, or you can send it on my email. Otherwise, I wish you a nice afternoon.
Have a nice afternoon too.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.